I'm just playing. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back. I am coming to y'all with another review. So this time it's on another indie brand that I found on Twitter. It is called JKO Cosmetics. And I'm going to review their coffee shop palette. Oh, that fell out. See, y'all ain't never did this one. It comes with a nice size mirror. And then it has all these warm colors in it. You know, it has like your black where you can smoke out something, a gold, some shimmers, some mattes. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. It even got this little gray, which I've never really seen in the palette. It's like a gray shimmer. So, y'all, I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm excited. I'm really excited. I did go ahead and do my foundation and everything because I'm doing another video because I'm reviewing this foundation that I do have on. If y'all want to see that review, let me know. Like, comment down below. And I'll hurry up and edit it. Because I know the eyeshadow look is coming up before the video. But, without further ado, let's jump on in. Okay, so I wasn't going to swatch it, but I changed my mind, and I am for you guys. It comes with 15 shadows, 6 are shimmers, and 9 are mattes. So I'm going to swatch the shimmers now. They do not have names on them. Okay, so these are the shimmers. They show up actually really, really well. They got some good color payoff. They are really, really smooth. I will say that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and swatch the mattes. Okay, so next, these are the mattes. Some of them, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Good time on. These are the mattes in the palette. And FYI, I know I said 15. It's 12. I can't count. I'm sorry. So it's 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. I think I'm going to do a brown, gold, and black look. That's what we're going to go for. Look at that. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and jump on into this. Once again, I'm not going to talk through it. I'm going to just go ahead and do it, and then I'll tell you guys my thoughts when I come back. Okay, so I'm back. Girl, I had to put on some hair. Okay, so I'm going to talk to y'all about this palette. This coffee palette. This coffee shop palette. Sus. It came through. Now, I will say I had to wet the shimmers. The shimmer that I used, the gold. I did have to use my Mario Badescu spray to wet it to get a better payoff on my lids. But that is something that's normal. And the black, I did like it. I would say use a dense brush. Use a very, very, very dense brush. And that will help it to sit better. The color payoff in this though was really, 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 really nice. Like you can tell I used it, but I didn't have to really dig in any of the colors. This would be something that I could actually use for an everyday toned down look, or as you can tell, I could use it for something that's more like I'm going somewhere event friendly. Because like this is a nice Thanksgiving, Christmassy, we are going somewhere out nice look. And it's sometimes hard to get that out of a palette. I know right now this palette is on sale on her website, and I will link her website down below. If you follow her on Twitter, I know you can probably find some coupon codes from somewhere. I did purchase this palette with my own coins, so my review is real honest. She does have sales, and she did come out with a new palette that I think I'm gonna run out and get to because I liked this one. But this one would be a thumbs up for me. I am really pleased with this look. Like I am, guys. Like I'm really pleased with this palette. And I love the fact that it's small, it's compact, and it's something that I can actually, you know, when I'm packing and traveling, I can literally put this in a bag and skate off and go. So I would say this is a thumbs up for me. And again, I am right now reviewing indie brands instead of me reviewing the bigger brands. I'm trying to get some indie brands in here, review those, let you guys know other options that are out there. So y'all check out the hot box for her link. As well as the hair that I have that I did put on, because y'all know I had to put on some hair. This is from Adaya Hair. I'm going to put some links down below of a few other videos that I did involving this hair with the review, me putting it over box braids, and things like that. This hair is, like, once again, it is natural. There are no products in it right now. And it is not frizzy. It doesn't shed still. So that's about it for this video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, invite a friend. I want to thank everybody who has supported me and all my new family members. I want to thank y'all for joining. If there are any products y'all want me to review, let me know. And I'll try my best to grab up the products. Because some products I do buy with my own coins. A lot of them I do. So if I can't get it immediately, just give me a little time and I'll get it for y'all. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, my babies.